So this is the first week, I guess. This is the first week with the car. I'm about to go. Damn, I keep saying That's the first week with the car. I'm about to go take it down, see what it needs. I got my tools, shoes. And there she is. So I got the radiator, I got some other shit. I got coolant, but I can't put in any coolant because there's no reservoir. So today I'm gonna take down all this. Let's just see what I can try to salvage or see what I need. I was looking through the car because I never really got a chance to, and I looked and I saw the build sheet, I guess, for the car. They paid $50,000 for this 335 in 2007. That's like an M3 price. My other one didn't even have this. It just had the aux. This wasn't here on my other one. It was under the glove box. But I was trying to figure out what this shit is. Apparently that's a hot cup, cold cup, cooler, whatever. I think I like this one more than the other one. I'm not gonna lie to you. So the bumper's already halfway off. This shit is fucked, bro. Damn. I got this. My God, that's too cold, man. YouTube mechanic shit. So I was supposed to jack up the car first. Didn't do that shit. Shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be starting the car when I want to do it just cause. Just so I can hear the cold start. Battery level low. Shit. But here we go, cold start. Battery's dead. So now I definitely gotta work on this shit. Okay, well, I mean, I could push the car up. No fucking way. So that's what I got done today. Took off the bumper, took off the ride support, the radiator and all that stuff is still here. I got the radiator, I got the condenser. The fan is alright. It's day 3.
Nigga is crazy. I'm back and shit. Park your car.
Push a little more. Really struggling with this shit. This radiator piping is hard as hell to come on. Like it's seized, but this been here since 2007. God damn.
Facts.
Damn, bro. We're gonna try to get this off and get back to y'all. Okay? Calling it quits. Yo, what's up, Ordinary? It's 6:44 in the morning. I just got home from work. I'm about to take a little nap. I'm about to get up probably like 10 o'clock and then start the day from there. I just woke up. I think I messed up. What the hell, bro?